So this is the chicken house. Chickens. This one right there, that's Harriet. This is Lulu. There's Goldie, Ginger. Black one is Diamond. And that one over there with the black head right there, that's Jasmine. Harriet. Yep. Alright. It's the house. So this. Then the door. You got the door. Got the little window, you know, fancy schmancy. And then side of it, you know, got the roof, and they got the tarp on there. Then you got this, so nothing can come down to eat them. This is the room. This is where eventually they will lay their eggs and their dividers. They got the little ramps. This top of it. And this is their roosting post. And lots of chicken poop. They poop when they're happy. So, yay. But this is the schmancy house.